Are you feeling overwhelmed and completely useless when it comes to makeup? Once you learn these 10 beginner makeup tips, your makeup is going to transform. And if you stay to the end, I have something very juicy. Bin your primers. They are just glorified moisturizers, and honestly, they don't do anything. A simple skincare routine is better than any primer you will ever use. I have spent so much money on expensive skincare products that didn't do anything, actually made my skin worse. Let me break it down for you. I would recommend washing your face twice a day. Toners balance your pH levels, which is so important before you apply makeup. I know you're tempted by the glass skin, glowy skin trends. Use a very simple, lightweight moisturizer. I have a full dedicated skincare video, so please watch that after this one. Every beginner, every woman should have these 5 products in their makeup bag. One foundation, we will go into detail on that later. Concealer for if you've got any breakouts, bronzer and a blush to add more color to your skin, making it look alive, and then mascara. Everything else is quite interchangeable. The next gatekeep secret that makeup girlies aren't telling you, the key to complexion is to color correct and not just add coverage for the sake of it. That just means looking at your face and seeing where you actually want the coverage, not just putting it all over your face and hoping for the best. I love the It Cosmetics CC cream for this. It's my go-to. I'll put all my product recommendations down below. I'm going to tell you 2 makeup hacks that will instantly transform your makeup. Do not sleep on blush and bronzer. You might be scared because all the girlies on Instagram doing all the trigonometry on their face. Blush and bronzer are your friend. If you just apply a foundation on your face, you'll look like a ghost, like you've got a mask on. But if you apply blush and bronzer over the top, you look more alive and it actually looks more natural. I mean, if you didn't have any color in your skin, people would be like, "Are you sick?" Pro tip, if you've got dry skin, go for cream blush and cream bronzer. If you've got oily skin, go for powder blush and powder bronzer. My next hack is one of my favorites. If you're just applying regular mascara, then I feel sorry for you. What you need to be doing is subbing your regular mascara for waterproof mascara. Waterproof mascara has an ingredient in there that actually keeps your lashes up for longer. A really good drugstore option is the Sky High by Maybelline. If you want me to email you a personalized makeup list and a 1-minute video from me that answers a makeup query that you personally struggle with, then see the link in my description box. This is only limited to a few spots, so if there's still availability, I'll put it down below. Now onto the 2 pro makeup artist tips that will make your makeup look natural. Use the colors that are already in your skin. My favorite lip liner to use is Pillow Talk lip liner. It's 1 shade darker than my actual real lip tone, so it looks really natural on my lip. And then when I pick a blush, I use the lip liner color to match it. Pro tip, I actually use my blush as my lip shade as well, so that it looks all cohesive. If you want your makeup to look natural, I have a secret that I need to share with you. When you keep up your beauty maintenance, like your tan, your lashes, your brows, your makeup will look better, trust me. What the social media girlies aren't telling you is that pre-filming their makeup tutorials, they are doing extensive beauty maintenance to make themselves look like a natural beauty. But don't worry, I've done a full video on this. It breaks down all of the beauty maintenance that you should be doing monthly, weekly, and daily to feel like a natural beauty. Glowy makeup does not equal long lasting. The more hydrating products you use in your routine, the more chance it's gonna slip and slide throughout the day. There is one product that you need to know about that will lock in your makeup for 8+ hours. And that secret is loose powder. It's an unsexy product in your makeup routine, I'm not gonna lie. You wanna put it in your T-zone area and you will lock in your makeup. Another beauty truth that I'm gonna hit you hard with. Don't buy into brow trends. I have definitely been a victim of a brow trend. When I look back at photos, I'll see if I can get a photo here just so that you can have a laugh. Do not want you to make the same mistake I did and buy into all those brow trends that actually go out of fashion super quickly. I honestly think less is more with brows. I actually tint my brows every month so that I don't need to do a lot of penciling in. All I do is just apply an eyebrow gel. I wasn't gonna let you leave without telling you the juicy goss. Please stop listening to influencers for makeup advice. I'm sorry, but unqualified, biased advice is gonna make you even more confused. Promise me that when you're scrolling on social media, you're gonna take everything with a pinch of salt. Make sure you're filling your feed with actual makeup artists that are gonna help you with your makeup. Welcome to the Beginner Beauty Bootcamp series. My next video teaches you how to do a really easy 5-minute everyday natural makeup. Subscribe if you're a beginner and you wanna level up your makeup. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.